If you thought President Obama was the only politician who's a baller, think again. Meet California State Senator Tony Strickland, who plays on a professional basketball team, the LA Lightning, alongside former NBA players and former college stars. It's no gimmick. Check out State Senator Tony Strickland dunking the ball. In fact, before politics, he had a shot to make it to the NBA. And when he was in college at Whittier, he shattered records. What's the most you ever scored in college?
47.
Wow.
My last home game.
And you could have gone pro right out of college, right?
I absolutely had the opportunity, had a tryout with the Sacramento Kings, but turned it down to go into politics.
What can you tell me about his basketball game?
He's a great athlete, a tremendous athlete.
Not only is a fabulous senator, he's a fabulous person.
What does a state senator do?
The state senator deals with the public policy dealing with K-12 education, the infrastructure of the state of California, the water project, the water system, healthcare. We have over a $100 billion budget, and I'm just happy to be a voice representing 1 million people up in the state Senate.
Senator Strickland is one of the most popular politicians in California, and when he's not in Sacramento fighting for his 1 million constituents, he's fighting for the LA Lightning, right here in his hometown of Thousand Oaks. About State Senator Tony Strickland, you ever think in your dreams you would be a teammate of a state senator?
No, let alone even go up to Sacramento to hang out with him, but I'm going to do that one. I'm going to hang out with Tony.
The Lightning are one-of-a-kind team. They come as close as possible to an NBA franchise with former NBA stars like Brian Russell, Amon Murray, Derek Martin. They also have former UCLA superstars like Toby Bailey, who's fourth in scoring in UCLA history. They also have Billy Knight and Adam Prada, who's a member of the Mexican national team.
He's a good player. When I walked into the locker room, I didn't know who he was, and I thought he was one of the assistant coaches, you know. And then he puts on a uniform and he goes out there and starts shooting, so I'm not surprised.
You're a politician, but you're a baller playing on a professional team, the Los Angeles Lightning, and you're leading the team in field goal percentage. How do you explain that?
Well, I take my basketball as serious as my politics, and I'm just happy to contribute to the LA Lightning, and when I get an open shot, I'm confident I shoot it and it goes in.
President Obama and you on the court one-on-one, who wins?
No doubt, no question, I win.
Billy?
I'll play him any place, anytime.
What do you say, Obama?
Tony, I gotta say, Tony, it might be a tie.
Tie?
With no refs, Tony. Referees, maybe Obama.
Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air.
What do you think about State Senator Tony Strickland playing for the LA Lightning?
I think it's amazing. He's awesome. He plays well.
If you should be in the NBA today, what team?
He'll probably be a head coach.
Head coach? And people come out here to support him, to see him play. What do you say about that?
You know what? Everybody here is a big fan. Family, friends, folks from our church, folks from all over the district come out to watch him play.
What's it like to play with a state senator? I mean, you played with NBA players all your life.
It's so cool. I got to show you my jacket the senator gave me. It has my name on it. It has the California State Senate, Billy Knight. I'm wearing it to the club. I'm wearing it out at a bar. I'm wearing it everywhere.
You know, all the guys love him. The guys just think the world of him, and I just think it's been a dream come true.
State Senator Tony Strickland was lighting it up. What do you say about the LA Lightning?
That's my boy B. Russ on there, so I come and support, so it looks good.
Brandon, what can you tell me about the LA Lightning? So you have a Lightning hat?
They rock, they're a great team.
You need to come to a Lightning's game. The tickets are only $10.
I've been a fan of Billy for a long time, and he's a great ball player, and he's giving me a point or two. He's a point.
How about Brian Russell?
Now, see that? You can't see that, huh? Yeah, I'm blurry now, huh?
Brian's a man.
Hold on.
Rebound! Go! Where's the ball at? He didn't play last
year. Any NBA players here today, but everybody came out to see Tony. Why is that?
I think athletics have a commonality with everybody.
All your your teammates told me they're really surprised you have skills. They thought, oh, he can't be for real. And then when you start playing, they're like, who's this guy? You can still dunk.
Yeah, I can still dunk, and I'm making my shots. And again, I just want to be part of a team, the camaraderie of the team, be part of a winning program.
You're a state assembly member?
Yes.
So what's dinner like at your house? Do you guys just talk politics all day between your job and his job?
Politics, basketball, and kids.
He's not bad for a politician.
There he is. He's got the smile. He's got the politician smile.
Yeah, the politician style.
Yeah.
So if he played Obama one-on-one, who would win?
Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna go with my teammate here. I'm gonna go with Tony.
The bottom line is I'll play President Obama anytime, any place, anywhere. I have tremendous respect for the president, but when it comes to basketball, I know I'll end up on top.
You heard Senator Strickland. He'll be happy to face President Obama any place, anytime. In Thousand Oaks, I'm Ellie Seckbach reporting.